Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing Wi-Fi icon problem in Windows 11. If you can't see the Wi-Fi symbol in the taskbar and you're unable to connect to the internet, don't worry. This tutorial is very easy and beginner-friendly. Let's start with the quickest fix. First, restart your computer. Sometimes the Wi-Fi icon disappears due to a temporary system glitch and a simple restart fixes it. If the Wi-Fi icon is still missing, let's move to the next step. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Now click on Network and Internet. At the top, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If Wi-Fi is turned off, turn it on and check the taskbar again. If Wi-Fi is not showing at all, continue with the next fix. Right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. Now find Network Adapters and expand it. Look for a wireless adapter. It may have the word wireless or Wi-Fi in its name. If you see a small down arrow on it, right-click on it and click Enable Device. If you don't see any wireless adapter or it has a warning icon, continue. Right-click on the wireless adapter and click Update Driver. Now select Search Automatically for drivers. Let Windows install the driver if available. After updating, restart your computer. If the Wi-Fi icon is still missing, let's try another easy fix. Press the Windows key and R together. Type services.msc and press Enter. In the list, find WLAN Auto Config. Double-click on it. Make sure Startup Type is set to Automatic. If the service is not running, click Start. Now click Apply and then OK. Restart your computer once again. If the problem still continues, here's one last thing to try. Open Settings again, go to Network and Internet, scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will restart automatically. After restarting, the Wi-Fi icon should appear again. And that's it. This is how you fix the missing Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.